here we are, just right after the last video into this video. In order to install the HANA Express, we need to install some extra libraries, and so what we're going to do right now, we're going to use yast. If I can type in the right place, I would do this. Sudo yast2, boom, go. Let's go set that up, see if there's anything in there. Initialize, I'm just going to accept that. Okay. Go, and let's go get those packages. Oh, it's finished already. How about that? So we're finished. So we're going to want to put some other things in here. We're going to want to do insserv. Let's pick that guy to add. Where are we? We're going to add a couple more. We're going to add lib numactl. Numa1, sorry. Okay, well, let's add the parent stuff to that. numactl1. Now that one's an L. How about that? A. See, let's just go like that. What else should we add? There's a couple other things we want to add, and I'll put this in the video's comments. We want lib atomic one, that one, and we're going to want lib ltdl7, I think. And for giggles, I'm going to put the GCC stuff on here. Because why not? What are we going to pick? Oh, some of it's already components of it. Let's go with 12, if I can find it. 12. Okay, let's accept. Let's take a look at what we got. Is it all here? Who knows? I told it's here, so it should be here. So let's go download and install the stuff, and we'll be back when it's complete. And it says it's complete, so let's finish. I need to click in the box. Good. And because I'm paranoid, I'm just going to make sure the stuff that we put in here is really here. Let's go look. Insserv. Yay, that's there. Lib atomic. Yay, that's there. What did we do? Something lib numa 1, I think. That's there. That's good. GCC. And that's there. There was one other, wasn't there? Was that SO? Lib ltd L. And that's not there. That guy needs to be there. So good that we caught that. Go put that in there. Accept. And finish. Quit. Okay, so now we're ready to start the SAP HANA installation. A couple things we want to look at here. In the WSL, I can actually go to my directory on Windows. As you recall, we put that, I think, in a root folder under Media, right there. We're going to unpack that one and install whatever it comes up with. And it's interesting. I want to also point out that I can come into an admin share here. WWSL. If I can type it right. $sign. And I can see stuff that's in the directory structure of the Linux box. Also, I can come back and say here, cd mount, let's just do this, list it. the C drive is available right there. So I go C, D, C, CD, root, media. And I'm accessing, what do you mean there's no such thing? No, that's fine. D, root. Oh, I used the wrong, I used the Windows stuff. Shame on me. Windows nomenclature. Anyway, let's clear the screen. List. So, SAP mentions to do this. Change mod 444 on X in their documentation. Not sure if it matters or not, but they said to do it, so do it. We're just going to take this guy and I'm going to sudo tar it. Sudo tar xvzf, I think. hsxe. Go. And it should uncompress that entire directory. Well, hopefully. I've had it not been able to before. Maybe it was because of those permissions on the file, but this should be fine. It's going to take a while. I'm going to pause it and get a coffee. And it's extracted everything out. Am I on my... There, clear that. No, is this anything problematic? No, didn't see anything pop up there. Clear. That's what's going on. So to run this thing, we just have to sudo... Hold on. Back. Just have to sudo, where were we? Sudo setup shell and go. It's asking for where the, oh, what happened? The directory is that has the install stuff. It's right there, highlighted up there. It's a directory. I'm going to call it SBX because I'm devious. I'll take the default instance of 90. We'll use that later. I'm going to say localhost as my host name. Needs the password. And we're going to accept yes. And we're installing away. Dog upstairs was barking, family's back. Lots of noise coming from the upstairs where they are. This process can take a long time. On a real PC, it probably goes faster than on an emulated virtual machine running another virtual machine, but it could take some time to get this to the end. So I'll just keep updating as we go along, but don't want to make this video long and boring. There's a lot of prep work. Interestingly enough, if you're interested in what's going on, remember that admin share. We can come in here into the var temp and see what's going on with this install and look at it. And definitely, there's different ways. Oh, look at that! You can actually have the host name. This is a guaranteed way of getting in there that Microsoft is saying won't cause any permissions issues, so you can open stuff and not have it lock between OSs. Still a little leery on that. Of course, you put an X window on top of this. I think I'm not going to do that. Don't know how to yet, and don't really want to because I just want the database instance, and we'll get to that stuff in another video. Anyway, I'm going to put on pause for right now. Why does that thing pop up all the time? Now we see it's starting the instances. You should see the index server pop up here soon. This is taking forever. Back to pause. Well, it says it's finalizing. Who knows what that means? We'll see soon, though. And here we get the magic, okay. Let's see, I scroll through here, you can see it's going. It's not doing a lot of much of anything, but it seems to be running, so we've installed it. SAP says we can go to a web browser and type your host name, localhost 8090. 90 is my instance. And as long as it pops this up, you're up and running. So we're good to go. And that concludes this part of the video where we installed HANA Express. Next video will be like using tools to get onto it and play around with the database a little bit. Some cursory things at first, and then some more fun things as time goes on. Talk to y'all later. I don't know why the Microsoft Store wants to pop up all the time, but anyway, talk to you later.